One of the reputed interior design companies in Bangalore is Scon Design India Private Ltd, which offers a range of services from consultation to execution. The cost of hiring an interior designer from Scon Design India Private Ltd in Bangalore can range between 50,000 rupees. The company provides customized solutions based on the client's requirement and budget. Additionally, an experienced interior designer can bring a creative vision to your space and enhance its functionality and aesthetic appeal. It's recommended to do your research and choose a reputable company like Scon Design India Private Ltd that has a proven track record of delivering quality results within budget and on time. Scon Design India Private Ltd is one such company that provides professional interior design services to clients in Bangalore. The cost of hiring an interior designer from Scon Design India Private Ltd may vary depending on the project's size and complexity. The final cost may also include additional expenses such as materials and labor costs. One of the most frequently asked questions by homeowners is how much do interior designers charge? Scon Design India Private Ltd, as a leading interior design company, takes into account the scope of work, project size, and complexity, along with the designer's experience and expertise. At Scon Design India Private Ltd, our pricing structure is transparent and affordable. Our pricing structure for interior design services is competitive and varies depending on the scope of work. We provide detailed estimates that itemize all costs, including materials, labor, and design fees. Scon Design India Private Ltd offers competitive pricing structures that are tailored to meet individual client needs and budgets. Scon Design India Private Ltd is one such firm that provides interior design services to clients across India. At Scon Design India Private Ltd, we understand that each project is unique and requires a tailored approach.